integration or application of human creative skill and imagination, typically in a visual form, such as painting or sculpture, producing works to be primarily appreciated for their beauty, as emotional power, the art of renaissances. Many view good art as being art which entices you to stay, contemplate and think about its layers and meanings. Like Nile Rodgers himself mentioned, art, well, good art at least, takes you to a place you go during the experience of it. And then after you experience it, you are different. The study of art from across the world and from the ancient to the present days covers virtually every aspect of human history and experience.